Once a doctor sits down and starts using Forum, it's usually about 1 or 2 days, they immediately understand the benefits of the application.
Until I had it in my office, I did not quite understand how easy it made my life.
The single most important feature is that I have all my information at one place.
Forum is incredibly fast, and it really honestly has made my practice more efficient in my day-to-day use.
I would describe Forum in my practice as really some of the glue that brings all these diagnostic tests together, so it's a much more workable form.
So at this point I'm going to say, let's look at this report and let's look at a couple of these scans here. And I'm going to pull those scans up. I've just selected 3 scans. I've got them on the screen. And do you notice now I've got my 5-line raster, my macular cube, and then I've got my macular thickness.
Those are the ones we just did?
Just did.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So remember, when we talked about the instrument being connected to Forum, all the raw data is being stored in Forum.
Okay.
So once you capture that information, it's not on the instrument anymore.
All right.
Sitting at the core of Forum is a centralized database that connects practices' devices, whether they're Zeiss or non-Zeiss devices.
When I talk to my colleagues about Forum is to understand that it's not an EMR system. It does something that's complementary to what an EMR system does. It helps manage all the data that you were using on a day-to-day basis.
Just clicking on the patient, it pulls me up what's already happened today.
It's like instantaneous.
1 click.
Okay.
1 click, I'm at this point.
All right.
So now I've got all my images for this point.
You know, just not having a whole paper and just being able to have this stuff at a mouse click.
Additionally, if I want to pull up multiple reports, I could do that and say, let's see as many reports as I want. Do you see how I've got it automatically set to add more reports? Mm-hmm. Remember, I can change the screen resolution to say, show me 4, show me 5, show me whatever makes sense.
I think I like that 3 up.
When we started instituting Forum into our practice, one of the things that my staff really liked was what we call the DICOM modality work list. And what this does is it auto-populates the visual field machines and the OCT so that when the patient comes in, they know they're there and we could connect and really have these devices speaking to each other. For them, that was a fantastic thing, and I can tell you right now, that's what makes them happy.
Once I actually had it in the office and I'm able to now look at all the documents, be able to pull 2, 3 different visual fields, put them next to each other, look at the macular OCT and see the progression of how that cystoid macular edema is now improved, be able to show the patient every piece of information and work with them. It really has made it a lot easier.
People like screens, and honestly, from a PR perspective, the moment you've got stuff that's on a computer, a patient automatically thinks, this is really good. I like this office. I can't tell you how many times in our office our patients have complimented on our system. They just think we're state of the art, just based on our computer systems.
I can just kind of tilt the screen and share with the patient what's going on, and it really has been a pretty effective educational tool. So that's been a nice surprise for us.
Forum is the eye care data management application for reviewing large amounts of data.
Forum is a very efficient system of data management.
If I was going to describe Forum in one word, it's efficient.
I can't do it in one word. I can do it maybe in 3. I can look at integration, I can look at efficiency, and I can look at quality of care. But I can't give you that one word.